Art Factory for Kids. Hello everyone, and welcome to the Art Factory for Kids channel. Today, we are going to draw and color Peppa Pig and George eating an ice cream. We'll use vibrant colors to make a beautiful drawing. Let's start drawing. At first, I am drawing Peppa's eyes, nose, and ears. Now, I am drawing her body. Peppa's legs are tiny. Now, I'm drawing George. He's smaller than Peppa Pig. This is his tail. Oh, Peppa needs also her tail. George has also a big ice cream. Our drawing is almost ready. At the end, I am drawing some clouds and the sun. It's easy and fun to draw Peppa Pig and her brother George. Now, I use these black marker to make the drawing more visible. Let's start to color. I use pink, red. Black. Cream. I choose green for Peppa's ice cream and yellow. I am coloring George's ice cream with purple and orange. Red for George's cheek and mouth. Pink for the head. Blue. I am drawing and coloring the shadow with gray. Now juicy green for the grass. The sun is yellow. Finally, I'm coloring the background with the sky blue wax crayon. Great job! Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.